Drink.
No, tell me.
You must.
Not till you start.
Double vagina.
Damn it!
Okay, there we go. I wouldn't have laughed at
The way I say things, everyone laughs. Say it.
that. Jump.
Jump.
Hey, better than nothing, okay? Come on. I'm proud of this, okay? Work hard to get this.
Garfunkel.
It begins.
Figured. That's a dude.
Raise it hand first. No,
That wasn't even all of it.
ladies first. Yeah, okay.
You know what I should have done? I should have spiked it with either vodka or whiskey.
It was like a big group of people. What? It was like a big group of people and just stop. What? A big group of people and just stop.
Wave hi, Haley. She's just dating that.
Nice one.
Who got raped?
I did.
I'm sorry, denied.
Grab
It's not rape if you enjoyed it.
Exactly.
Yes,
Can't raise the willing.
everybody's grabbing
Waffles kind of came out of the there.
Take it. I was gonna kick him in the ball.
Ooh, picture.
You should have kicked him in the bowels.
Right when he's doing a bear.
Yeah.
Just go already, damn it.
Because I have like no more like nice
What are you doing, man?
Okay,
Okay, well, I'm doing a contest here, man.
Well, laundry.
Yeah, it's one on YouTube game.
Laundry's boring. So shopping.
Would you like to join?
There, hold on.
Yes.
Not
It
today.
just got stuck again.
Side poke.
It's stuck.
I'm not in a good mood to do it, so not today.
Let's get deal.
I love that one. I love you, It's that. It's like freaking. It's not even like
I love how
Foley.
silent the other hall
It's
goes.
Foley. It's not.
Huh?
It's going stale. It's not bubbly.
It's going stale.
Mostly because I drank it.
My
Their
God,
periods.
mine's flat, not stale.
Ooh, that was a funny conversation.
No, man, this is fun.
You gonna join?
Go, 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 go.
I can't even burp, really? It's too stale.
These guys don't think it.
But I actually do have a very manly burp, but I can't do it with that.
Don't pop
Sure you can.
I can. Mike has heard it. No, Scott's heard it. Ask Scott.
I heard you farted. You farted on me last night, man. You farted on me.
Quiet.
Yeah, she farted on me last night, man.
Oh, man. Grow up.
Yes, she did on the bed.
No, you should have waited until she was
What?
to it. Pleasant surprises.
Oh.
This isn't working for me today. Want some water? Yeah, we might have to have a winner after that one.
Yeah.
She just made you her bitch.
Like the one yesterday.
Just like that.
That was pretty hot too.
She gets it. Oh, is this turns into a sexual record? You can just go there and then get it.
That's my little
Finish it off with an okay face.
Do that again. Show the audience.
I think your lip piercing on the one side getting infected.
obviously.
I don't know.
Did you clean it? Do the ABCs. I don't want to
ABC, EFC, next time won't you sing with me?
No.
Maybe some EMs.
I'm gonna see if we can do the whole thing.
Okay, that totally failed.
You're failing today.
Can't do it today.
There's nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong with the shirt.
Nothing showing.
What is going on today, Will?
Nothing.
I don't know.
Tits, right?
No.
Oh, wow. What? You never seen boobs before?
Show the audience.
No, he's just seen boobs.
Show the audience some tits.
Those are
Okay, I gotta get this one burp out because it's not even going full.
Somebody poke her.
No, you can't squeeze her away. You can't poke her or squeeze her. If you do, I will kill you. Yeah, same here.
There's an attempted bagging here before.
Banging.
Bagging! As in like this. Bro goes down.
Should have done it. It would have been the funniest video ever.
Here we have this guy trying to get into a good position on this guy.
Oh, he's waiting for him.
Back.
That burping's too sexy. I just can't resist.
That's what he's like. He's secretly with his invisible
It's okay, it gets me off.
I'm failing today, okay?
Yes, yes you are.
Chug it.
Jojo, chug the coke.
Go get me a sandwich.
Chug.
Chug the coke.
Coke.
Oh god, this is gonna be fun.
You should buy me
What was that?
That tasted like, I don't even know.
So, what are your opinions on this?
It's pretty funny.
and a nice broken light bulb.
Oh my god, you better get this one. Go. I think you beat me today. Give me this back. Oh my god, James.
Take a bow. Take a bow.
Too loud for James. Clearly the winner is JoJo today. I'm gonna try this a couple more times. A couple, not one more, because I know.
And he ran away.
Spreading people down the hall.
Yes!
What?
The burp is spreading people down the hall.
Hell no.
It's not coming out, man. I can't do it today.
You have failed.
I'm sick.
Done.
I can't help it.
So, who do you think the winner was?
JoJo was today, I admit it. I admit defeat for today.
This
For
sound
today.
from
Do the torn shuffle.
the chest.
Torn shuffle.
Oh, I already told you what songs would go on this.